Hello, today we're going to be talking about the TD300 startup procedure. Everything in this video that we will be talking about is listed by the hose reel on the TD300. This QR code will take you to this video on YouTube, as well as the tech manuals and the quick start reference. Keys to this unit are usually located underneath this cover. And all of your manuals and documents are in this forms box on every unit. Before turning on the machine, we're going to verify oil level and that the fuel is on. Your oil dipstick is located on the front of the unit. Clean, reapply. And we're going to verify that it is within the spec. This unit takes 2.5 quarts of 10W30. The internal fuel on-off switch is here. This is in the on position. This is the off position. When starting the unit, you want to verify that all switches are off and no power is to the board. With the switches off on the board, we're going to go ahead and start the generator. Key on, engine off. Next detent to let our glow plugs fire. Depending on how cold it is, you may want to do this 3 to 4 times. You'll want to wait for the engine to go into a low idle mode. And you want to flip your breaker on. Once you've laid your grid, you can now go ahead and start turning on switches. Go ahead and activate your pump. And go ahead and turn on your burner. Your aquastat is firing up. We can see here that we have our 110 volt. We have our low water being made. Our flow switch is being made. Our high limit, our aquastat, and our burner is going to start to ignite. When turning on the burner, you're going to verify that the gauge for fuel pressure is going to reach the yellow arrow called out on the gauge itself. This here is your pump pressure. When the pump switch is turned on, this will want to read between 15 and 40 psi. This is your flow reverser. This is what allows the supply and return to flip-flop, being controlled by this timer. These are all in increments of minutes, from 10 minutes up to 30 minutes. This is your aquastat. This is giving you your temperature readout of your glycol. When wanting to change the set point, depending on job, we can see that the set point is at 190. By hitting the menu button twice, we can then go down and set a new set point temperature. If when starting the burner and the burner fuel pressure does not meet its required pressure, you may have to reset the burner. Open the hatch, go ahead and press the button on the inside of this hole for 15 seconds, let up. The burner will then try to reignite. Once the unit is running, the burner is running, and all your glycol is flowing through your lines, you want to walk the lines and check for any leaks, any tears. You want to check your manifold. You want to check your entire grid system. In the event that there is a leak, you do want to repair or replace the line.